Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawanda Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
President Jongka Seng San Prathai Nationalist Congress Party Saleng e Sangma Ubadairu MLA Jongka Gembegre constituency haka arpusan tarik upnai nailar arajar arpuai Dawa baka sorkar jilla kaladai ban Pynduh pendamno ya ke MLA scheme haka dorbar senrai Jongka ying dorbar thauan kaban salong shen Kani ka jing Dawa jong presiden ke NCP ka long halor ka nongrim baka jing baha pisa ka batang ar san klor tingka kanam la satya ban pendap ya ka jing don kam jong ki pait ba hapo ki constituency Shushu saleng sangma ula ongru ba unsa wanra ada ka 0 hour notice ha ka dorbar senrai ka ban salong khenang ban Dawa ya ka sorkar baka de ban pendam no mardor ya ka MLA scheme bal ada ka sorkar kam kwa ban Pynduh no hanrei ka de ban kinteu pat ya ka bha jong kani ka scheme khenang baki MLA kinam mat ya ka jingsha khnyum hakipait ba jong ki constituency.
This MLA scheme is so irritating and frustrating. You get it? And then we have become a prisoner to our own device. Correct? This MLA scheme is nothing but just a scratching out. It's irritating so much, and then people expectancy is too high. It's only 2.5. Okay, but the people expect us to give everything for them. With this 2.5, do you think you can give? For example, my constituency, I've got nearly 400 colonies. For these 400 colonies, can you imagine this 2.5 will be enough? So, the people perseverance, the perception, I want to change it. You see, once you do away with this MLA scheme, or otherwise increase it, okay? With this 2.5, you cannot satisfy anybody. Even if I do a job, for example, now I have every now and then, I'm going to every nook and corner, I'm going to each and every minister, each and every department, taking all kinds of applications. Every now and then we are giving application after application. Okay? We're begging for the development to my people. And we are getting also. Even if we get those development, if I don't give them personally, what they will say is that you haven't given me anything yet. Though they are working in that, they are working through that particular PWD department road also. Though they are getting all kinds of development through like PHA department, health department. Even they gain all those things, but yet they still will ask for the MLA scheme, which is so irritating. That's why I will, if I have a chance, then I will ask the government to do away with this MLA scheme. This will boost up some areas where the areas were small. For example, in Turat, for example in Shillong. In Shillong city itself, so many MLAs. Okay, a few colonies only, like 10 colonies, 11 colonies. I've got 400 colonies. Just imagine that one. Yes, definitely. Because, for example, in Shillong town itself, there are around 6 or 7, constituency MLAs. Now it is already confined to certain areas. Now in Shillong itself, there are not 100 colonies, but yet they have 7 MLAs. Okay. Now I've got 400 colonies, and then in my constituency, my area is covered with 4 blocks. Some part falls under South Garo Hills. Some part of my constituency falls under Southwest Garo Hills. 2 block falls under West Garo Hills. Imagine that one. How big is my constituency? Do you think this 2.5 will do a justice? If I say increase it, okay, for each and every MLA, it will be injustice for me to say that one. Because Shillong will be getting some crores of rupees. My area will be getting very less. So it's not justifiable actually, even for me to say that increase it also. So accordance with the population, accordance with the area, governments should think properly and then, do with the thing. Otherwise, this MLA scheme will be just a bunch of money getting wasted by giving the people directly or indirectly, because it's not going to the, development. It seems like, because whenever I give it to people, it's the people who eat it. Accordance with the area, the population, maybe accordance with the area, I can say, because our population ratio, it's not, educating with the the population of that particular area also, because with that particular amount you cannot cover all, because people need road, people need culvert, people need community hall, people need everything, and they expect not only those things. Even if I do that also, they're still expecting. They need it personally where it is wrong. That's why instead of asking, they should do away with these things. We will change the perseverance of the people towards the MLAs also. That is one thing. And another thing is that, during the MLA election, people will have the right mind to judge the right person. Otherwise, they bought any Tom, Dick and Harry who doesn't know anything also. And those who can give more money, That way, even those who are standing also, he will be, he will think twice even to stand also. And those who are voting, especially the voters, will think 100 times to vote. Because without MLA scheme, they just cannot break into anybody's house and then ask for money. As if they are legitimate right, They think this MLA scheme is their legitimate right, that they should get it. But whereas this MLA scheme was given to, fill up the gap. Where the road is bad. Where the football field is required, where this road condition is bad. It was meant for that. But people think it is the legitimate right, but right, then it should be given to them only, personally. It does that every time actually. I'm doing some small business, but all the money goes to them only. And then you know what? All the blame comes to us. Hey, this is the MLA who eats the money like that, So I want to change the culture, the perception. How do you supposed to entertain each and everybody with 2.5 only? Just imagine that one. Us, it's a curse. 2.5 is a curse for us. Now, if each of the colony asks for the RCC culvert, then how much I can offer? Tell me. If each of the colonies ask for the road, how much I can offer to that road? With this 2.5, do you think I can be, I will be available to, it will be available to, construct 2 kilometers of road? Huh? What about the 399?